This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science well, step by step. To begin, prioritize understanding the core concepts. Don't just memorize facts, strive to comprehend the underlying principles. Ask yourself why and how things work. For instance, when studying a biological process, visualize each stage. Connecting new information to what you already know can significantly improve your retention, making your study time much more effective. Next, embrace active learning and consistent practice. Science is not a spectator sport. You must actively engage with the material. Solve practice problems daily, aiming for at least 30 minutes of focused work. Try explaining a difficult concept to a friend or even to yourself aloud. This method, often called the Feynman technique, reveals areas where your understanding might be weak, allowing you to strengthen those specific points. Consistent review and honest self-assessment are crucial for mastering science. Don't wait until the last minute. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes every few days. Take practice tests to gauge your preparedness and identify specific topics that need more attention. Spaced repetition, where you revisit material at increasing intervals, has been shown to dramatically improve long-term retention, helping you remember complex information for months. Finally, never be afraid to seek clarification and collaborate with others. If a concept is unclear, ask your instructor or a classmate. Forming a study group can provide diverse perspectives and help you tackle challenging problems more effectively. Aim for a group of 3 to 5 people for optimal discussion. Engaging in these discussions and sharing your understanding can deepen your own comprehension and make the learning process more enjoyable and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.